Hello, kids.
How are you all? Hope you all are fine. This is Tessin teacher from Toddledam. So children, do you all know what we are going to do today? Today we are going to do something new. Are you all excited to know what we are going to do today? Today we are not going to study today. We are going to do some little fun. You will enjoy it. You all like to do activity? Yes. So today we are going to do activity. So our activity topic is blow painting. Do you know what is blow painting? No? Teacher will show you and let you know what is blow painting. In this blow painting, the materials which are required that I will show you. In this blow painting, first of all, you need this plain paper. After plain paper, you need a drawing palette and brush, and you all like to color. The teacher is giving you to draw something and you like to color it with the crayons. So today we are not going to use crayon. Today we are going to use something new color. You will love to do it. So these are the watercolors. This all colors we are going to use in the blow painting. See, this all colors we are required in this blow painting. And if you don't have this color, you can use another color also of your own choice, which one you like. And you need straw also. Whichever straw you like, you can use that also. And you know what is straw? You use this straw while drinking juice? Yes. So, in this blow painting, we are going to use all this material. So, let's start with a blow painting.
Let's start with the activity. Our activity is blow painting. The materials which are required in a blow painting is plain paper, colors, straw, drawing palette. Student, now we are going to start with a blow painting. First we are going to take this plain paper, then this drawing palette, color and brush. Now we will first take the red color in the drawing palette. After taking the red color in the drawing palette, we have to add some water in it. After adding some little water in it, we have to drop the color on the paper. Like this. After dropping the color on the paper, we have to just blow it with the help of straw. Like this. While blowing, it will go in any of the direction. You just have to blow it. and you can take as many colors you want. After red color, we are going to take another color. And that another color is green color. With the help of brush, you can drop the color on the paper. And again, as we have done before, you can do the same. Start blowing it. As I have said before, it will go in any direction. You have to just blow it. You can even take single color or you can mix 2 or 3 colors. It is up to you which color and what color you want. After finishing with the green color, now we are taking another color, that is blue color. With the help of brush, we have to drop the blue color on the paper and start blowing it. Now we have done with the blue color. Now we will take another color. After blue color, we will take yellow color. Then again we have to take color and mix it in the water, then drop it on the paper. And again with the help of a straw, we have to blow it. See, the yellow and green color has been mixed, so the another color is coming out. Again we are taking yellow color. Again blow it. This is little small in size. You can drop color big in size also. After yellow color, we are taking brown color. With the help of brush, you have to drop the color on the paper and blow it. While blowing, the color is going on another color, no problem. let it go. You just have to drop the color and blow it. This way you can drop as many colors you want and you can blow it. While blowing it, you can make picture, monster faces, anything you want. You can make it while blowing it. This is a final picture of blow painting. Here are some more pictures of blow painting. Just have a look. You can make like this way also.
So children, have you seen how to make a blow painting? How to do it? Do you all love it? Yes. So practice at home. Bye.